In this video, we're going to quickly demo the reactive utils, specifically the method, I believe, when and that. And so, very short sample. We don't have any default vars or data structures. We have our classic web map and then a web view that uses that web map. And then we have our code. That's it, and that sort of thing. So what we want to do, so this is a different way, I guess, an option other than events, but in the end, if you peel back the layers on this, it'll just be events underneath the hood in that. But we use the reactive tools .when method, and here's a pattern that, hey, when your test returns true, I'll respond to it by running this function. So just keep this pattern in your head. There's a test written as a function, and then a response to that test being true, that's also a function. So we know we're dealing with a function right there because the arrow syntax. And what we're watching, what we're, I guess, tracking is when the map view has stopped moving, right? So if it stopped moving and it's stationary is true. So when this is true, okay, and you can have, because it's a function, you can have a very complicated, I guess, code block logic that returns either true or false. Doesn't have to be a one-liner like this, but it does give you that flexibility in that in case you need more than one line doing this as a function. So when this function returns true in that, then this other function will run in that. And all I'm going to do is at the console just I guess log out what the value of stationary is, because it should be true if we got into here. In that, if we ever saw false, that would be interesting. And also what the extent of the current map is. Now, somewhere I have this already ready to go in that, but it's we'll just delete this and that. Probably it got triggered by me writing code in VS Code and the app reloading. But the idea is that the map is moving around, right? And so as long as I keep it moving, right, it's not stationary in that. Then I'll let go, boom, stationary, true. And it says what the spatial reference is and also what this bounding box is where we're looking right now. So again, we can move it around, right? That sort of thing. I'm way off screen moving it, by the way, in that. As long as it's moving, then it's not going to become stationary. It's got to wait to say, okay, because someone could be panning for a while before the map actually stops. And when it stops, okay, then we can trigger some other responses in that. And so that's, like I said, a quick video, right, on how to use reactive utils, one of the methods, when, right, and that focuses on truthy values, true, false. And when that function you have returns true, then your other function will kick off. That's all for now.